Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the host, install a VNC server, and create a strong access password. This secures the session from the start. Once done, confirm the host IP or host name and the user account you'll connect to, because incorrect credentials waste time. Then decide. Direct port forwarding on 5900 for LAN versus an SSH tunnel for internet access. If you choose tunneling, run SSH L5901, localhost, 5900 user at host, and keep that terminal open while you continue. Next, configure networking and the client so the connection is reliable. You set the server display to 1 and adjust the firewall to allow 5901 if you're not tunneling. Make sure rules apply to the correct network profile. Then install a VNC client on your machine and create a saved profile. This stores encryption and scaling preferences for repeat connections. Once the SSH tunnel is active, point the client at localhost 5901. If you're connecting directly on LAN, use host 5900 and confirm encryption options match. Now connect. Open the client, choose the profile, and enter the VNC password. You should see the remote desktop. Once connected, adjust scaling and clipboard sync so interaction feels native. After finishing, harden access. Disable password-only auth on the VNC server, require SSH key logins, or move traffic over a VPN. If something goes wrong, start by checking the firewall and whether the SSH tunnel port mapping matches the client. Then inspect the VNC server logs for authentication or binding errors. That single check often reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.